Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Wednesday. Today is September the 24th. We are out here in Lawrenceville, Georgia. We're in the same area today that we are stationed, so we did not have to go into the city. So anyway, guys, this is the last job of the week because I'm going out of town tomorrow for the rest of the weekend. Already booking up for October. Already got 4 on the schedule for next week. We did a few consultations, and one I had to refer out because he's looking for a full sand, so I referred him to one of my network partners. So anyway, guys, we're out here. This is Mr. Tom. He's about to leave, and what we're going to be doing, guys, is a wax removal of a laminate floor that was installed 13 years ago. He said, Courtney, I've been putting that Williams polish on it, and we started to notice that something was going wrong with the floors, and they watched my videos, and that's what led them to me to take care of this issue. So it's not a big job. It's a little bit over 700 square feet. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going. All right, so these are laminate floors, guys, and they have wax on them. And now we typically don't move furniture, but for Mr. Tom, since this is a wax removal and we're not putting anything back on the floors, he put sliders on everything, and then we'll just move everything back and forth as we're going. So we're gonna be doing this sitting dining room, also this kitchen. I'm gonna go into the laundry room, but not moving the washer and dryer, all through here to the kitchen. I've already just tested the area. I'm going to be rinsing it with the HydroFresh LVT cleaner. So just filling up. Just put some defoamer. I got Tavares put some defoamer so it doesn't foam up. And then we're going to be doing this area right here. I mean, guys, as you can see, where they had a rug, you see right there, see that line? That's how the floor should look. So that's how they're going to look when we're done. But all this is polished all through here. So that's what we're going to do, guys, is remove all this polish, which is going to take the floors back to how they're supposed to look. I've already tested this area over here. As you can see, it's already emulsifying that wax. Yes, that's what we want. Yep. Got a little booster I put in there to kind of help accelerate the emulsification of the wax. All right, guys, well, we're about to get started. Show you some results. Nah, we ain't doing the bedrooms. All right, guys, making good progress. So Tavares just sliding the furniture back. You can see right here, see all that wax coming up. It's being emulsified. Had to basically kind of squeegee some of it, but guys, that's all wax on the floor. So what we're going to do now is shift everything this way, continue to the dining room, then work ourselves over here into the foyer. I'm just making up some more emulsifier. And over here to the kitchen area and this dining room. All right, guys. Coming off like snake skin.
She was like, she researches everything, and she's like, Tom, this is what has to happen.
Yeah.
Because I've been doing the floors, and all of a sudden she goes, Lawrenceville, Buford.
Yep.
I said, well, call him, get him over here.
Yep. That's it. All right, guys. We just got through removing all that wax from Mr. Tom's vinyl floors. Alrighty. It was a lot of wax on these floors, guys. A lot of wax. Wow. Alright. Alright, guys. That's gonna do it. They're just drying, just doing a post clean. Alright. Alright, guys. We're off for the rest of the week. See you in the next one.